Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to set face unlock in IQOO Z6 smartphone. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to enter settings. Then you need to click on security. Then choose face from here. Now you need to click unlock. Then click OK. Now the registration is completed. Click OK. To turn off the stay on lock screen after unlocking, to enter directly into the phone. So now I will check. The phone get unlocked with face. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and do subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. Thank you.